the Great Stirrup Cay, which is Norwegian's private island in the Bahamas. So far, it's pretty nice. Tons of chairs, cabanas if you want to rent, private cabanas also, zip lining across the beach. I'm gonna hit the snorkeling up in a second and see what that's all about. So if you like the zip lining, compared to obviously Costa Rica and stuff, no comparison, but it is pretty cool layout that they have. Basically just zipping across the beaches. I'm not sure how many it is, but yeah, you see all the platforms and everything, so it's pretty cool. The prices fluctuate, they said, but it looked like around $100 or $99. It takes about an hour and a half. So when it comes to activities here, there's a few excursions depending on the time frames. One of them was the zip line, but yeah, they have the pig swimming, Stingray Cove, a couple other things. But you don't really have to do it because they have plenty of stuff. We got volleyball, they've got the putt-putt, snorkeling right here. It's fun. If you're an avid snorkeler, you might not enjoy it too much, but the water's clear, it feels good. Few restaurants or places to eat, they are included. Also drinks, bring a water bottle because they're going to charge you, unless you want to drink booze, and then you just swipe your card and or your key card and it goes onto your account just like everything else. Overall, it's pretty nice beach. Pretty nice, I guess you could say beach club feel. Plenty of space. If you just walk down the beach a little bit, you can get away from the crowds, the music, and it's a little bit more chill. So yeah.